Wabarakatuh. Math, grade 6. We are in model 9, volume and surface area. Today we have lesson 4, surface area of pyramids. Surface area of pyramids. So in this lesson, we want to learn how to make nets and find the surface area of the pyramids. So at the first, how to make a net to represent the pyramid. To know what the meaning of the pyramid, listen very well, please.
Make a net to represent a pyramid. Teaching notes. A pyramid is a three-dimensional figure that has one polygonal base and triangular sides that meet at a point. The sides are called lateral faces. A regular pyramid has a base that is a regular polygon and lateral faces that are all congruent. The height of one of the lateral faces in a regular pyramid is the slant height of the pyramid. The slant height also divides the base of the triangular face in half, creating two congruent segments. A square pyramid is a pyramid with a square base and four triangular faces. A triangular pyramid is a pyramid with a triangular base and three triangular faces. The base of a regular, triangular pyramid is an equilateral triangle.
So a pyramid is a three-dimensional figure that has one polygonal base and triangular sides that meet at a point. The sides are called lateral faces. Lateral faces. So as you see, this is the pyramid. This is the pyramid. Now the pyramid include the base here, as you see here, square. So the name of this pyramid, square pyramid. And then we have four faces. The type of this face will be triangle. The name of this face, lateral faces. Lateral faces. So how many lateral faces we have? If the base have four sides, meaning we have four lateral faces. Four lateral faces. And in the lateral face, we have the height. The height of the lateral face, the name of the height, slanted height. Slanted height. So the name of the height will be slanted height. Make a net to represent a square pyramid. Draw and label a net to represent the square pyramid. As you see here, we have the pyramid. Here down we have the base. The type of this base, square. In this square, the side will be here 4 and here 4 and here 4 and here 4. Means here we have regular polygon. You have four sides in the base, means you have four lateral faces. This is the first one, first triangle, and this is the second triangle, and this is the third triangle, and this is the fourth triangle. And when you have congruent sides in the base, means you have congruent lateral faces. Congruent lateral faces. Okay, now we want to draw and label the net. what I do, start from the base. So draw and label the square base. What are the dimensions of the base? As you see, here we have 4 and here we have 4. So we can't write here 4 and we can write here 4. So this is the base square, 4 here and 4 here. This is the base. Then the second step, draw and label the triangular face. Triangular face. What are the dimensions of the lateral faces? As you see here, we have the base of the triangle will be 4. So write here 4. Then the height of the triangle will be 7.23. 7.23. So as you see now, this is the first lateral face, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. 4 lateral faces, 4 congruent lateral faces. So this is the net of the pyramid, of the square pyramid. Make a net to represent a square pyramid. Select a net that represent the square pyramid shown. I want from all to focus very well with this square pyramid. As you see here down, we have the base square. We have here 10 and here 10. And we have 4 congruent lateral face. Each one will be triangle. And this is here the slanted height. The slanted height here will be 12. And here we have the side of the base will be 10. And the base of the triangle also will be 10. And here is the side of the triangle will be 13. So we have here net A, net B, and C and D, and we want to choose the correct one. And as you see here we have the side of the base will be 10. Here the side of the base 10. Here the side of the base 10. But here the side 12. So this is false. And here the side will be 13. So this is false. So I can choose between A and B. As you see here, the slanted 13, but here the slanted 12. Go back to the pyramid. As you see, the slanted here will be 12. The slanted will be 12. So this is the right one. This is wrong. So we can choose A.
A.
Make a net to represent a triangular pyramid. Draw and label a net to represent the triangular pyramid. As you see here, we have triangular pyramid. But here the base not square, the base will be what? Triangle. So the name triangular pyramid. When you have the base triangle, means you have 3 lateral faces. Each one will be triangle. So what do I do? Start from the base. Draw and label the triangular base. What are the dimensions of the base? Base length. Base length will be what? Will be 9. So we can write here 9. And base height. The base height will be 7.8. So this is the base of the pyramid triangle. The second step, draw and label the lateral faces. The lateral faces. What are the dimensions of the lateral faces? Lateral face base. So as you see, the base will be what? Will be 9. And lateral face height, this is the height of the lateral face, will be also 7.8. So this is the lateral faces. This is the first one, the second one, the third one. And this is the net of the triangular pyramid. This is the net of the triangular pyramid. Select the net that represents the triangular pyramid shown. As you see here, we have the triangular pyramid. We have the base triangle. In the base, we have the base of the triangle here 4. And the height of the triangle will be 3.5. The height of the triangle will be 3.5. And the lateral faces here, we have the slanted height will be 5. طيب. Here we have A and here we have B. Number A, as you see, we have here 5. But here, as you see, will be what? Will be 4. So this is wrong. Right. Number B, here we have 4 and 4 and 4. And here we have 4 and 4 and 4. Right. Here we have 3.5. And here we have 3.5. So this is correct. But here we have the side will be 5. But here we don't know the tall of the side. This is the slanted 5. So also this is wrong. So here we have 4 and 4 and 4. This is right. And this is 3.5. This is right. And this is the slanted will be 5. The slanted height will be 5. So this is the correct one. Now, surface area of a pyramid. How to find the surface area of a pyramid? طيب. Listen to this video, please.
The surface area of a three-dimensional figure is the sum of the areas of the faces. To find the surface area of this pyramid, find the sum of the area of the base and the areas of the lateral faces. You can use a net to find the surface area of the pyramid.
So to find the surface area of the pyramid, the first step, draw and label the net. Draw and label the net. Then as you see here, we have the base will be square. So find the area of the square. Then Find the area of the lateral faces. How many lateral faces we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the lateral faces here will be congruent because the base will be regular polygon. This side equal this side equal this side equal this side, means this triangle congruent with this triangle, congruent with this triangle, and congruent with this triangle. So find the area of the lateral faces, then you can multiply the area by 4 because here we have 4 lateral faces. Continue, please.
The shapes in the net of this pyramid are a square base and the 4 lateral faces. First, find the area of the square base. Multiply length times width.
So to find the area of the base will be square. So we can write 6 squared, or we can write 6 times 6. 6 times 6 will be 36 centimeters squared.
Next, find the area of the lateral faces. The base is a square, so the area of each triangular face will be the same. Find 1/2 of the length of the base times the height.
And the lateral face will be triangle. How to find the area of the triangle? We have formula 1/2 times the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So here we have 1/2. The base of the triangle will be 6, so times 6, times the height of the triangle will be 8, so times 8. So 1/2 times 6 times 8 will be what? Will be 24 centimeters squared.
Finally, find the sum of the area of the base and the areas of the lateral faces.
So as you see, 36 the area of the base. Then the area of the lateral faces, we have here 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. Or we can write 4 times 24.
The sum is 132 square centimeters. So, the surface area of the pyramid is 132 square centimeters.
Use the net to find the surface area of the square pyramid. We have here the square pyramid, and this is the net of the square pyramid, and we want to find the surface area. Listen to me, please. Surface area represent S, capital letter, S equal. When you want to find the surface area of the pyramid, find the area of the faces, the lateral faces, and the area of the base, then you can find the total of the areas. So we will start from the base. The base will be square, as you see. What is the area of the square? Take the tall of the side, then do squared for this tall. Means take 4 squared, or 4 times 4. 4 times 4 plus, we want to find the area of the lateral face, but here we have 4 congruent lateral faces. We have 4 congruent lateral faces, so multiply by 4 times the area of the lateral faces, the area of the lateral face. What is the type of the lateral face here? Triangle. How to find the area of the triangle? Write the formula 1/2
times base times height.
Great. Multiply by the base will be 4. Multiply by 4.
4 times 7.23.
Great. Multiply by the height will be 7.23. Now we can calculate. Here 4 squared means 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will be 16.
16.
Plus. And here we have 4 times 1 over 2 will be 2. 2 times 4 will be 8. Then 8 times 7.23. The answer will be 57.84. Now 16 plus 57.84, the answer will be 73.
Equals 73.84.
Great, 0.84. But who can tell me now?
73.84.
Who can tell me now what is the unit here? Who can tell me what is the unit?
Centimeter square.
Excellent, excellent.
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square. طيب, who has any question in this example?
Nobody, Mr.
Okay. Find surface area of a square pyramid. Here we have used the net to find the surface area of the square pyramid. As you see here, we have the square pyramid, and this is the net of this pyramid. Now I want from all students to try to find the surface area. Start please and tell me what is your answer.
$68 centimeter square.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Who has different answer?
Same as Daniel.
The same?
So my answer is the same.
The same. Okay, thank you, Khalid. Who has different answer? Okay, listen to me, please. We want to find the surface area. Represent S. When you want to find the surface area, start from the base. Find the area of the base. What is the type of this base? As you see, here we have 5 and here we have 5. This side equal this side. Means here we have square. We have square. How to find the area of the square? 5 squared or 5 times 5. So can write here 25.
25.
Plus How many literal faces do you have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
4 literal faces, so you can multiply by 4. What is the type of the literal faces? Triangle. How to find the area of the triangle? 1 over 2 multiply by the base of the triangle will be 5
5
multiply by
times 42. 4.3.
the height of the triangle or the slant
4.3.
4.3. Now we can calculate. Here we have 25 plus 4 times 1 over 2 will be 2. 4 times 1 over 2 will be 2. 2 times 5 will be 10. 10 times 4.3 will be 43. Now 25 plus 43.
It will be 68, Mr.
68 centimeters square.
68 centimeter square.
Excellent. 68 centimeters squared. Who has any question? No questions?
No, Mr.
Okay. Use the net to find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. Here we have, as you see, we have triangular pyramid, and this is the net of this pyramid. Also here, I want from all to try to find the surface area here. Then tell me what is your answer. Start, please. So who can tell me what is the surface area here?
140.4 meters square.
Sir, Mr. My answer is like Daniel.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Khalid. Who has different answer? Okay, check with me, please. The surface area start from the base. As you see the base here, triangle. How to find the area of the triangle? We have here formula. Write the formula 1/2.
1/2 times B times H.
Great. So the base of the triangle here will be 9, so times 9. Then the height of the triangle will be 7.8.
7.8.
Plus, how many literal faces you have? 1, 2, 3. So multiply by 3. Times the area of the literal face. Also we have triangle. So the area will be 1/2. Multiplied by the base will be 9. Multiplied
7.8.
will be 7.8. Now start from here. We have 9 times 7.8. Will be 70.2. Then divide by 2. So
35.1.
Great, 35.1 plus, here we have 7.8 times 9, then times 1 times 3. The answer will be 210.6 divided by 2. So the answer will be
105.3.
Now we want to add 35.1 plus 105.3. So the answer will be
Mr. The answer is
140.4 meters square.
centimeter square.
4 meter squared. Great for all. Who has any question here? No questions?
No, Mr. No.
Okay. So this is our lesson today. Let us to take attendance now. Then you can leave. But remember, today we have homework. I will send the homework after this lesson. And the deadline to send your homework tomorrow morning before 10 a.m. o'clock. Okay, Bati. 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 Ahmed.
نعم أستاذ.
حمدان الكعبي.
نعم أستاذ.
خالد خليل.
نعم أستاذ. أستاذ ممكن أغادر؟
اللي طلع اسمه مين كان غادر إذا ما عنده سؤال. دانيال.
نعم مستر.
I will add to you 5 marks, Daniel. Great work. You can leave now. سعيد.
نعم مستر.
سلطان علي. سلطان علي. سلطان علي. سلطان غازي. سلطان غازي. طبعا في عندنا طلاب لحد الآن من بداية الفصل لهلأ ما حضروا، وأنا نبهت على الجروب وبرجع بنبه. الطالب إذا تجاوز عدد غيابه 10 دروس رح ياخذ الصفر لو جاب 100 في الامتحان. لو بجيب علامة كاملة في الامتحان بس ما عم يحضر حصص رح نحط له علامة الصفر. عامر. عامر.
نعم أستاذ.
عبد الله راشد.
نعم.
عبد الله الجابري. عبد الله الجابري. عبد الله الجابري. عبد الله الحمادي. عبد الله الحمادي. عبد الله الحمادي. عبد الله مسعود. عبد الله مسعود. عمر الشامسي. عمر الشامسي. عمر الشامسي. عمر أشرف. عمر أشرف. عمر أشرف. فلاح. محمد أحمد الحمادي.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد سعيد السريحي.
نعم مستر.
محمد حماد.
نعم مستر.
مطوع سيف.
نعم أستاذ.
منصور علي. منصور علي. منصور علي. Okay, this is our video today. I will send to you the homework and the deadline tomorrow morning before 10 a.m. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.